Expansion PEX has been very reliable. It hands down works better than any other product that you could use.
In my experience, it's pretty much, if you put it in right, it is guaranteed to work and seal.
The PEX expander is great for larger diameter pipes as well. I'm able to expand 1-inch PEX without it bogging down.
The speed of the tool on 1-inch PEX surprised me the most. It is way faster.
In colder temperatures, it takes longer for the PEX to seal on the fittings, and now with the new expansion heads, the fittings are tight on the PEX, which allows for faster testing.
The rapid seal heads, they're awesome. When you're taking something that was already the best way of doing something, and now you just made it quicker, you're saving everyone time and money. It's in every way better. There's nothing that compares to it.